cut your magnetic strip to the full height of the side frames. And so that the top and bottom strips fit in between the two side strips. Before attaching any of the magnetic strips, ensure that the surface to be fitted to is clean and free from grease. Remove the release paper from the tape and stick down each side of the frame. And to the top and bottom. When the second piece of magnetic tape is connected to the first piece, if installed correctly, it will lie central. If when installed it moves to one side or the other, remove it and turn it round. Before connecting to the window frame, degrease the surfaces around the edge of the window frame. Peel off the release paper. And then push into position.